welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the Cocoa Butter Kisses TikTok trend. I know it's a very old trend, but I've seen a lot of people doing it lately and it's becoming pretty trending again. So I decided to make a tutorial on it. But before we get started, it would be amazing if you could just support me and subscribe and activate the notifications. It's very fast to do, it takes 2 seconds. It's totally free, but I would be the happiest person in the world. And now, let's just start. So this video is new, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now, let's get started with the dance. So the first thing we're gonna do is 1. So our hands are together over here, and then they just split apart a little bit. And then we're gonna make them go over our head, and then we're gonna go like this. Okay? So it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3. Once again, 1, 2, 3. Then after this, we're gonna put our hand in a fist, and that fist goes to our head, and then we're gonna swing to the right, swing to the left. Okay, so let's do it from the beginning, and we'll move on. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, over our head, 2, head, swing, swing. So after this, we're gonna cross our hands. Then we're gonna just do a circle with our wrists, and we're gonna click. So it's gonna look like this. 1 and 2. Once again, 1 and 2. And then after that, our hands are over here, and we're just gonna pull forward. Then to the side, when we go to the side, we're gonna do like a little wave, and then we're gonna cross. Okay, now let's do it from the beginning, and we'll move on. Let's go. 1, over our head. 2, head, swing, swing, cross, circle, click, front, side, cross. And then after this, the only thing we have to do is a wall. So we're gonna throw something in the air, and we're gonna catch it over here. That's it, that's the whole dance. So we're gonna do it from the beginning twice. Once we're gonna do it slow, and then once we're gonna do it fast. So let's go. First slow. Let's go. 1, over our head. 2, head, swing, swing, cross, circle, click, front, side, cross, and whoa. That's it. And now the same thing, but faster. Let's go. 1, over our head, mouth, head, swing, swing, cross, circle, click, front, side, cross, and whoa, that's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe and comment any ideas you have for any of my next videos. And I hope to see you soon. I love you all. Bye.